Today, the world produces and uses energy rapidly. Solar power, smart grids, energy storage, e-mobility and sustainable technologies have become today's part of everyday's life. This shift has created a strong demand for skilled renewable energy professionals. To address this evolving needs of the global clean energy sector, MIT World Peace University has launched B.Tech Renewable Energy program. This program goes beyond the textbooks, combining experiential learning, industry exposure, live projects, hands-on experience, empowering the students to understand, analyze and apply renewable technologies in the real-world engineering environments.
Our B.Tech in Renewable Energy looks at energy in a very practical and real-world way. It brings together electrical, mechanical, environmental and electronics engineering. So students learn how to design and manage complete energy system and not just individual components.
Through the generous CSR support of SLB Private Limited Pune, MIT WPU has established solar energy projects at Gunjavne Village, Karanjavne Village and ZP School Lohagaon, bringing clean, reliable and sustainable energy to the rural communities. These projects are more than the solar installations. They are renewable energy research laboratories, where students and researchers work on cutting-edge technologies such as AI application in renewable energy, IoT-enabled monitoring, smart microgrids, energy management, and sustainable power systems. Here, students don't just learn renewable energy, they experience it, innovate with it, and develop solutions that address the real-world challenges.
Supporting this learning outcome, bridge industry and academia, we have established strategic MOUs with leading organizations such as Wari Energies, Tata Power, RevoGreen Technologies, Jabil Circuit India Private Limited, FEV. We are actively expanding our industry network and we are in the process of establishing strategic MOUs with leading industries such as Siemens Energy, Suzlons, JSW Energy, Schneider Electric and H2E Power. This collaboration empowers students for industry exposure, hands-on experience, live projects, enabling students to be industry-ready professionals in renewable energy sector.
Get the hands-on exposure through our state-of-the-art Center of Excellence in E-Mobility, established in collaboration with International Automotive Center of Excellence, Gandhinagar. Students get hands-on experience to electric vehicles, battery management systems, motor drives, vehicle control units, and advanced battery testing units, communication systems, and with practical training, industry-oriented learning, and innovation-driven projects in the field of e-mobility. Our graduates are prepared to contribute to the clean energy and electric mobility revolution.
Renewable is more than the field of engineering. It's empowering innovation, technology, and driving sustainability, shaping the future of our planet. For the students who are passionate about innovation, technology, and sustainability, this program is the right place to begin with. So, future is renewable, and at MIT WPU, we prepare you to lead it.